Here I am with both kids in the morning, and sometimes one or both of them get a little cranky. And I have to put on my detective hat and figure out what the issue is. Now, a lot of times I'll know intuitively, but sometimes I have to go piece by piece, especially for Barack. So sometimes it's as simple as just changing the room, changing the activity that he's doing, giving him a new toy or something, letting him run free, holding him, etc. And so there's a lot of different ways to do it. But the interesting thing is, it's a matter of going step by step through the process and being open to discovering what the problem is. You want to see yourself? There you go. And so in Excel, I recently had an issue where I was creating this report and I made one change, a pretty big change actually, that kind of broke a lot of the links, a lot of the formulas. And then the charts were not working, the sheets were not linking together properly. I kind of knew this would happen because I was making a big change, so I made a copy first. Just as a safety for the backup purpose. But then I had to go piece by piece and see, okay, where is it breaking? Certain things were working, certain things weren't. So I would pick one area where it was broken and kind of dig further and see, what is this cell referencing? What is this cell referencing? And go piece by piece, making little corrections until finally, step by step, I finished solving all the issues and everything worked and I tested everything. And so a lot of times it's just about going one piece at a time to be open to find that solution, and you'll eventually get there. If you want to shortcut that process, I am certainly open to helping. I will do a nice audit of your spreadsheet and see not only the obvious errors, but some of the less obvious errors. So send me a comment or a message, and I'll see how I can help you optimize and streamline and resolve issues in your spreadsheet.